Hello student, welcome to once again my channel. Here is Rajesh and also I will first of all I want to give you my warm welcome and also give you my wishes that says you will certainly understand the things or whatever I'm going to teach you here on the subject. Each and every day I'm giving some things as such a example. With the help of that, so you can learn some and develop your skills. So on the basis of on the patterns and continuity, here I will to teach you today the probabilities. What is probabilities and the probabilities? Its a definitions and how we will solve the probability related questions. There are a lot of rules and regulations available here in the solving the probability and the probability related questions. But nowadays, the most famous and the favorable solutions and methods given according to your textbooks. I will teach you that's how we use the related to the probability questions here. So, some questions is also given answer here. So we will study the topic is here the probability. Probability. What is probability? Probability means that's the if we define the probability is the number of favorable can be defined as probability of any number is equal to number of the favorable outcomes upon number of the possible outcomes. Probability probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes we will divide it number of favorable outcomes, so we will divide it by means of the possible outcomes, number of the possible outcomes, and this is a number of the possible outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes divided by number of possible outcomes. So suppose that with the help of this questions, as here is the some example I am going to take the examples. So with the help of that example, so we will take the number of favorable outcomes upon number of the possible outcomes. So how will you calculate the and calculate with the help of the example? If we take the example, you say it is clear. So it will be clear that how we will solve the any questions related to that. There are a lot of types of example, a lot of questions is given here. Methods is things. Question is times and questions will be a different but methods times but the question generally was given as a trick point of view, so that you have to understand that so what is the questions and how we will solve these types of questions. For the example I am going to give you the example with the help of example you will try to understand each and every questions. So a dice is thrown once, dice is thrown once. What is the probability of getting 4? What is the probability of getting 4s or other than 4s? We can say other than 4. This is the questions. Now we will start solutions. Solutions is here. Solutions. We write the solutions. Here we have given the heading of the solutions with the help of heading. We will retain here what is the given total number of the possible outcomes are. Right here total number of the possible outcomes. What will be the total number of possible outcomes in dice? We will see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2, 2, 1 and 6. Total number is 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 number can be seen in each faces of the dice. In each faces of the dice we will see the 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 number is given here. And each faces of dice and this will be the possible outcomes. And after that the total number of the possible outcome is so total number of the possible outcome equal to 6. It would be a 6. always be as we things and as a questions, and the total number of the possible outcomes here is 6, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 is a face on the dice where the number is rated. On the basis of that, it's if the E is the event getting, if E is the event getting, what is this? E is the event that getting a number other than 4, a number other than 4, event that getting the number other than 4, so that number other than 4, then the favorable outcomes are, then what will be the favorable, then does the favorable outcome number will be equal to how many numbers? The numbers will be 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Total number will be 5. So because of 4 possible outcomes is 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 numbers will be, but here is the 4 because 4 is given here and the sub 4 is not here, so 4 you will remove it and it will be a 6. So 1 2 3 5 and 6, that is the favorable number that will comes here, and on the basis of number of the favorable outcomes, so number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes from total number of the favorable outcomes is equal to 5. Then the probability we will write here, probability is the formula of the probability, so getting a number 4 other than other than 4. So we will write here the getting the number other than 4 other than 4 is equal to 1. The total number of outcomes upon given outcomes, it's a simple rule, so we know that, so it would be a 5 upon 6. E is equal to 5 number, here is upon total number is 6, so probability will be 5 upon 6, so it will be at the E is equal to 5 upon 6 will be answer. Got it? I hope that you will understand. You have been understand whatever I have given you. With the help of example, I have teached you the probability related question. So whereas no, I can my knowledge, I have given you the probability related questions. One type of questions is the dice related questions, such as many other questions is also related to the except dice, and we will say that first is dice. Second we can say is money. Coins have 2 parts, a head and the tails. Dice have 6 parts, 6 face, dice. And any events that happen, events. Fourth, playing card. Number of all card is 52 and divided into 4 parts. Each part is 13 and 13 get 52. This section 1 to 10 is 1 AC deals, and the 1 2 3 card is different. So each card have a 1 to 10 numbers and 1 to 3 and 1 to 3. So king, queen, king, queen, and also king, queen, and the one is also the joker cannot be taken here. So sorry, king, queen, and jacks, and the 1 1 to 10 cards we can say here. So that would be, so one is the second is the coins, third is the events, any events that happening during the outside events have 2 parts, and the first and second negates the coin with 2 parts, head and tails, and the dice have 6 parts, 6 faces, 1, 10, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And and cards related questions will also comes here. 52 cards and 30, 30, 13 each cards divided into each 13, 1 to 10 cards is say is in a numerical forms, and a 3 card is non-numerical forms. That is called king kills. So here is the cards, and also some also example that was going on here. So opening is on the basis of these probabilities, finding meaning probability, win and loss, and profit and gains. These are the sections by inside, so we can calculate the probability related questions. So here is the questions. I am very much obliged to you all that you are watching my tips and channels, and you are looking and observing it these channels. Like, please do share, subscribe, follow my channels, and write a comment so that I can make a more effective video to learn you and develop your skills. I hope that you will certainly give me them. So please hit the subscribe buttons, and it bell icons, so that information, so that related notifications will go in news, and you will get the newly so forms and newly made videos. It will automatically reach if you say hit subscribe button, and also bell the bell rings, ring the bell, so giving on that. So thank you very much for coming on our channel. So once again, say here Rajesh is requesting you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, okay, thank you, and forward it to your friends and colleagues who is also related and subjected to yours, and as you think, and that it would be better to transfer these links. If a link is also given below the descriptions, and please do see the descriptions is given below, and in descriptions you can see automatically link is given here. Thank you in each video. So, okay, thank you very much for coming on this video.